Hi people, hi everyone. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muna, also known as Afroliciousmuna on Instagram. So if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, we are going to be discussing on how we can do a hot oil treatment that will be beneficial for our natural hair. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. You're welcome back. So today we'll be discussing how you can do a hot oil treatment for your natural 4C hair in order to retain more length. So today I'll be making use of my applicator bottle where I'll be storing my mixture of oils. I'll also be making use of my avocado oil. Avocado oil contains vitamin A, B, B2, B1, B5, C, D, E, and K. And also avocado oil helps to fight dandruff and cirrhosis. It helps retain length, promote hair growth, and fights inflammation of the scalp. The second oil I'll be going in with is my PKO, known as palm kernel nut oil, prepared for me by my mother. This oil is amazing. Palm kernel nut oil has the same composition like that of coconut oil. It is able to penetrate the hair shaft, repairing and locking moisture deep within. Also, it soothes the hair and scalp when used as hot oil treatment. It thickens the hair, giving it added volume and shine. Not only that, it also helps to maintain the collagen that helps hair follicles together, and it is not greasy but very light. So this oil is amazing. So I've added my 3 spoonfuls of PKO and also avocado oil. I'm going in now with my eucalyptus essential oil, which helps to stimulate hair follicle, improve hair health, promote hair growth, release itchy scalp, and treat head lice. So it's an amazing essential oil. But you can do well to go in with any essential oil of choice that you have available. So I'll be mixing my oil together. Mix. Then I've already boiled my hot water. I'll now be immersing my applicator bottle with the oil mixture inside the hot water bowl, and I'll be leaving it for 15 minutes before application. So now it's time, after 15 minutes it's time for application. Please do well to test the oil on your wrist before applying it on your scalp so your scalp doesn't get burned. So now I've applied it directly on my scalp. As you well know, hot oil treatment is also a treatment for your scalp. So I'll massage my scalp thoroughly, giving my scalp some TLC. I bet you this massage is so soothing. So I'll also be adding it to the ends of my hair, and I'm going to still massage thoroughly. So while we wait on that, let me briefly explain to you the benefits of hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatment happens right before you shampoo your 4C hair. It helps to restore moisture treatment. It treats dry scalp, treats itchy scalp, treats dandruff, adds body and shine. It doubles as a pre-poo. It adds sleep for most detangling and also minimizes hair breakage. So you can see the amazing benefits you can get from hot oil treatments. So one may ask, how many times do I need to do my hot oil treatment? Well, if you are dealing with extreme dryness, once a week is preferred. But if you are dealing with semi-dryness, once a month is preferred. So I've covered my hair with my plastic bag I usually get from the grocery store. I also went in with my satin bonnet and my satin scarf in order to reap the maximum benefits of the heat I want my purse body to produce for this treatment. So I'll tie my scarf. Then if you're like me, you can leave the hot oil treatment on your hair and go to bed and wash it off the next day. But if you don't like that, you can wait for 4 to 8 hours and then you wash it off. So your choice. So this is the next day. I've washed off my hot oil treatment. You can see how luscious my hair is looking. You can see my scalp looking very neat, and my hair is still moisturized. the shampoo did not strip my hair of its natural moisture. I've styled and moisturized my hair, and I also styled my hair into this beautiful, chunky, loose twist. So if you'd like to know how I got this style, please let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video for that. So my people, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, what oils do you use for your hot oil treatments? Please let's meet in the comment section to discuss that. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you next video.